These are by far the best shoes ever.
I love it. It's so soft, it fits me perfect, and I can't wait to get the rest of my order. You guys have got to try Yes We Vibe. Thank you.
What I love about these sneakers, I got 2 pair, is not only the great designs, the colors are just as vivid in person as they are on the website, but also the price is reasonable.
I just wanted to say thank you for the product. I really appreciate it, guys.
Yes We Vibe shoes are great. Lightweight, fit, gorgeous colors.
I am so excited. I tried them on. Very lightweight and comfortable. I am so excited about my shoes. I am so glad my friend introduced me to this website. I will be ordering more pair. I'm waiting on another pair to come in. Keep up the good work. Thank you.
Loving it. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Brent Talbot and I love my Yes We Vibe Enlightenment shoes because I am a smile activist. Thank you, I love you, teach peace, namaste, ow!
Loving my Yes We Vibe new shoes. Chakra rainbows. They're so comfortable.
I'm so happy with these shoes. I'm going to wear them today to my psychic fair in National City, California. And I'm going to show them off. Thank you.
They go everything, and they let me be.
And one of the things that I love about the product is that they send you a nice little thank you card with little stickers in there. I thought these were so cute, so definitely check out the website and order stuff and get your stickers.